Hello everyone. Welcome to the Rundown Report by the Main Street. I'm your host Pooja Nautiyal and it's time to catch up on the biggest stories from the past week. So for all those who missed out on what's happening in the world around us, here's everything you need to know in a nutshell. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's get right into it with our top headlines. First up, an important development that's been making waves. India's Union Budget 2025 has unveiled a groundbreaking plan to boost the country's AI capabilities with a significant allocation of funds aimed at AI-driven initiatives. The budget highlights the establishment of new centers of excellence across the nation, focusing on research and development in AI. These centers will collaborate with top universities and industries to foster innovation. In education, AI will be integrated to create personalized learning experiences, while in agriculture, it will enable precision farming to improve productivity. AI will also enhance healthcare services from early disease detection to resource management. The government also plans to leverage AI in governance, improving efficiency and transparency. This push for AI could reshape India's technological landscape and drive economic growth. Following this, experts predict a surge in AI talent and startups, further accelerating the country's digital transformation. Moving on, here's a story that's become a major talking point. President Murmu has raised concerns over the growing threats of digital fraud, cybercrime, and deepfakes, highlighting the significant risks they pose to India's national security. In response, the government is intensifying efforts to strengthen cybersecurity measures and protect citizens from these emerging threats. The government is also focusing on creating new job opportunities in the cybersecurity sector, aiming to build a skilled workforce to tackle these challenges. This push is seen as a critical step in safeguarding India's digital future. As India continues its digital transformation, enhancing cybersecurity will be essential to ensure a secure and resilient online environment. Cybersecurity firm Wiz has raised alarms over a serious flaw in DeepSeek, the popular Chinese AI startup, accusing it of exposing private data. The vulnerability reportedly left over 1 million lines of sensitive information, including user chat logs and program keys, open to the public. Wiz's team found the database was completely unprotected, but DeepSeek quickly responded, securing the data in under an hour. Despite the fast fix, experts worry about how easily the breach was discovered and if other vulnerabilities still remain. DeepSeek's AI assistant has made waves in the industry, even surpassing OpenAI's ChatGPT in App Store downloads, adding to the controversy. Amidst the rising competition in the gadget world, OpenAI has teamed up with former Apple designer Jony Ive to develop a groundbreaking new AI device that could potentially replace smartphones. This device aims to offer a more efficient and intuitive user experience, moving beyond the limitations of current smartphones. By leveraging advanced AI technology, the device is expected to provide users with a seamless voice-driven interface, reducing reliance on traditional touch screens and physical buttons. The collaboration between OpenAI and Ive has sparked excitement as it promises to reshape how we interact with technology in our daily lives. The device will focus on simplicity, improved accessibility, and smarter integration into users' routines. Industry experts are closely watching the developments, speculating that this could be the next step in the evolution of personal tech. As rumors continue to swirl, more details are expected soon, and anticipation is growing for what could be a revolutionary shift in mobile computing. This innovation may also spark new competition, with tech giants racing to create their own versions of next-gen devices. Next up, as tech giants face mounting pressure to innovate, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is visiting India on February 5th, marking a significant moment as the company navigates legal challenges and rising competition from China's DeepSeek, known for its cost-effective AI model. Altman's visit is seen as an effort to strengthen OpenAI's presence in India, a rapidly growing tech market. Amid increasing competition, this could be a strategic move to foster partnerships, explore opportunities, and expand OpenAI's influence in the region. Experts are speculating that this visit might mark the beginning of a new chapter for OpenAI in India, potentially bringing new AI collaborations and innovations. As the AI race intensifies, India could play a key role in shaping OpenAI's future. And now, in an unexpected move, a lawsuit filed against LinkedIn accusing the platform of using user data for AI training has been dropped, bringing relief to its millions of users. The case was dismissed after LinkedIn confirmed that it never shared private messages for AI use, clearing its name from the privacy concerns. This development follows growing scrutiny of tech companies' data practices, especially in light of AI advancements. LinkedIn's transparency and swift response have helped reassure users about the safety of their private communications. As AI technology continues to evolve, LinkedIn promises to prioritize user privacy and data protection moving forward. In exciting tech news, Synergist Technology has launched this 2.0 version of its cutting-edge AI and cybersecurity platform, Affirm, built on Microsoft Azure. The upgraded tool is designed to offer a comprehensive solution for managing AI governance, cybersecurity, and compliance for both government and commercial organizations. Affirm is focused on zero trust architecture, ensuring organizations meet critical regulatory standards like NIST, ISO, and the EU AI Act. With real-time monitoring and robust risk management features, Affirm helps businesses adopt AI securely, while Synergist CEO Alicia Morris highlights the platform's transformative potential in AI governance. In a surprising twist, Meta is gearing up to launch its new video editing app, Edits, which promises to revolutionize content creation with AI-powered tools. The app will offer features like advanced video effects and collaboration tools, all available for free, making it a powerful resource for creators. This move positions Meta as a strong player in the growing video editing market, challenging established apps with a free, user-friendly alternative. Content creators, both amateur and professional, are expected to benefit from these easy-to-use innovative tools. With the app's launch on the horizon, many are eager to see how it will impact the video content landscape. Next up, the tech world is buzzing with excitement as the United States is set to make a monumental $500 billion investment in AI through its Stargate project, aiming to push the country to the forefront of technological innovation. This massive funding will support AI research, development, and integration across various sectors. However, China's AI startup DeepSeek has caused a stir by achieving similar results with just $5.6 million, showcasing the potential of efficient innovation on a smaller budget. The stark contrast between the two nations' investments has ignited a global debate on the scalability of AI technology and the role of cost efficiency in driving progress. Experts are now questioning whether massive investments guarantee success or if smaller, agile approaches might be just as effective. As the tech world watches closely, both the US and China are expected to accelerate their efforts, creating a competitive AI race that could shape the future of global tech. In a groundbreaking move to preserve India's rich cultural heritage, Silicon Valley-based tech company has launched Saraswati, an AI-powered knowledge base dedicated to India's 10,000-year-old legacy. This innovative platform combines ancient scriptures, historical archives, and cultural insights with modern AI technology to create an unparalleled resource. To mark the launch, Saraswati introduces Kumbh Mela Insights, an AI-curated guide to the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, offering multilingual content on rituals, travel tips, and spiritual significance. With plans to expand to 1 million pages, Saraswati aims to become the world's largest AI-driven knowledge repository, revolutionizing how we explore India's vast cultural and intellectual history. As cyber threats continue to grow, South Korea is launching an investigation into the data collection practices of the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, amid growing concerns about user privacy. These concerns have triggered a decline in tech shares, with investors increasingly wary of the company's operations. In a separate development, Coimbatore Cybercrime police have successfully recovered 20.74 lakh rupees of the 81 lakh rupees lost in a recent internet scam, freezing the accounts involved in the fraud. The stolen funds have now been returned to the victim, offering some relief amidst the rising wave of cybercrime. Authorities continue to warn citizens about the increasing risk of online scams and the importance of cybersecurity vigilance. Nonetheless, in a groundbreaking development, OpenAI has launched Deep Research, an advanced AI tool that gathers and synthesizes information from across the web to create detailed research reports. This powerful tool, now available to ChatGPT Pro users, streamlines the research process by automatically compiling and analyzing vast amounts of data. Deep research is set to enhance productivity for some researchers, students, and professionals by providing faster and more comprehensive insights. The tool's ability to generate structured reports will significantly improve the efficiency of research work. As the AI landscape evolves, deep research promises to redefine how we approach gathering and presenting information. And that's a wrap for today's recap. Thanks for tuning in. To catch up with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly updates. We'll be back next week with all the latest stories, so stay tuned and stay safe. Keep on watching the mainstream.